When you choose BlackVue, you buy into an ecosystem of dashcams, services, and accessories that have been refined over years of development. Established in 2007, BlackVue has become the standard for simple, reliable, connected, and elegant dashcam design. It introduced full HD dashcams globally, followed by Wi-Fi connectivity for easy setup and management of videos through a mobile phone. BlackVue also became popular for its advanced parking mode monitoring function. Since 2015, the brand set itself further apart with the launch of BlackVue Over the Cloud, a service enabling remote live view of in-car footage from anywhere, anytime with the BlackVue app. Discover the BlackVue ecosystem of dashcams, services, and accessories. DASHCAMS. The BlackVue dashcam range is made of cloud, Wi-Fi, and simple dashcams, and each category includes models suited for both individual and professional users. Cloud dashcams. Those top-of-the-line models feature the latest in dashcam technology, like the capacity to connect to the cloud for added functionalities such as remote live view, cloud backup, and alert push notifications. Wi-Fi dashcams. These non-cloud models will allow direct Wi-Fi connectivity between the dashcam and a phone with the BlackVue app for easy file transfer and setup. Simple dashcams. If you want a dashcam that you can just set and forget, the simple dashcams are a good option to consider. Spanning all three categories, BlackVue also offers dashcams tailored to the needs of professionals, with models incorporating interior recording, infrared night vision, or water resistance. Accessories. BlackVue accessories include parking mode add-ons and other accessories such as tamper-proof cases. Parking mode add-ons. Parking mode add-ons allow you to take advantage of your BlackVue dashcam's parking mode monitoring capabilities to protect your vehicle when you are away. The PowerMagic range of accessories provides all you need to hardwire your BlackVue to your vehicle's battery or power your dashcam in parking mode directly via a dedicated battery. Tamper-proof cases. The tamper-proof cases prevent access to the dashcam's micro SD card, the format button, and the cable connectors, which can deter both theft and video data tampering. Other accessories. Aside from the PowerMagic accessories and the tamper-proof cases, BlackVue offers all kinds of accessories for your specific needs. Those range from micro SD cards to longer video cables and extra mounts for easy transfer between vehicles. Software. BlackVue maintains a suite of mobile and desktop applications compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac OS. The free BlackVue app lets you connect to your Wi-Fi or cloud dashcam directly or remotely, change settings, download videos, and access cloud services on the go. With the BlackVue Viewer, manage dashcam videos from the comfort of your computer, visualize map and sensor data, easily zoom in, take screen captures, or edit out audio and export video segments. Services. BlackVue Over the Cloud. BlackVue pioneered dashcam cloud services with the launch of BlackVue Over the Cloud in 2015. The free service allows users to connect to their dashcam from anywhere, anytime, backup videos to the cloud, or receive push notifications when an impact is sensed by the BlackVue. BlackVue Fleet Tracking. Built on the BlackVue Over the Cloud platform, BlackVue Fleet Tracking provides a dashcam-based fleet tracking solution for businesses of all sizes. BlackVue Fleet Tracking offers a complete vehicle tracking solution, including geofencing, instant access to 90 days worth of GPS logs for each vehicle of the fleet, unlimited remote live view, and more. This was an overview of the BlackVue dashcam ecosystem.